I have two Facebook accounts. How do I delete just one of them? This is actually a surprising question to me because Facebook accounts are unique. You log into one. If you've got another one, you log into that one. And that means the operations you take care of when you are logged in as that specific account apply to that specific account and not another one. So let's run through what I think some of the confusion is here from this question. I have two Facebook accounts. How do I delete just one of them? Facebook identifies your account through your email address. Deleting one account won't delete the other. I'm Leo Notenboom, and this is askleo.com. Question. I have two personal Facebook accounts under my name. To make a long story short, while I was on vacation 2 years ago, I could not access my original Facebook account, so I created a second one using an alternate email address. The problem that I'm facing now is that people connect with me through both Facebook accounts, while I would rather use just one. I did look into deleting one of them, but I'm afraid that both of my accounts will then be deleted as both are under the same name, but have their own email and password. How do I safely delete just one of my accounts? As long as you have access to both accounts, deleting one of them safely is no problem at all. The problem that many people run into is when they don't have access to that second account because they didn't set it up in the first place. Summary. Your email address, not your name, identifies your Facebook account. You can safely delete an email account by using its login email address. You cannot delete fake or impersonation accounts, but should report them to Facebook instead. Identifying a Facebook account. Don't take this personally, but Facebook doesn't care about your name. Well, within limits, of course. What uniquely identifies a Facebook account is the email address. Each account has one and only one email address that's used as the login identifier. Think username for that account. While there aren't many Leo Notenbooms out there, there are plenty of John Smiths in the world. If Facebook used only a name, then the first John Smith to disable his account would disable all of the John Smiths. Arguably, the first John Smith to create an account would prevent all the other John Smiths from creating one. The bottom line is that's not how it works. It's the email address that matters. Delete one account by email address. Pick the account that you want to use. Make sure your friends who connected with you on the other account know you're moving. Then sign into Facebook using the email address of the account you want to delete and delete it. Aside from a little confusion, there's really nothing wrong with leaving the account open. But deleting one of your two Facebook accounts should be completely safe if done properly, since it's identified by a unique email address. If you don't have access, one reason some people believe they have two accounts is if they encounter an account with their name, perhaps even their photographs and more, that they didn't create. The bad news is that since you didn't create it, you do not have access to it. You don't know what email address was used to set it up, so you don't have access to that either. You've encountered a fake, cloned, or what Facebook refers to as an impersonation account. You cannot delete this account because it doesn't belong to you. It belongs to the imposter. Your options in this case are limited to reporting the account as fake and possibly asking your friends to do the same. Make sure they report the correct fake account. Since this is a pretty common problem, my understanding is that Facebook should take care of it relatively quickly. For links related to this article or to leave a comment, visit askleo.com/5327. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.